Here's the easiest way to make a hot water bottle sleeve without sewing, so let's get started. Begin by laying your fabric out on a flat surface, and I folded my fabric twice to ensure my cutouts are the exact same. Now place your hot water bottle down on the fabric, leaving about 1 inch of extra fabric on both sides and the top, and leaving about 2 inches on the bottom. Then draw an outline of the hot water bottle and cut it out. Now place your cutouts over the batting that is folded in half and cut along the outline. And separate the 2 pieces of batting. Once you're done, you should be left with 4 cutouts and 2 batting cutouts. And if the fabric cutouts are like mine and are attached at the folded edge, you can cut them apart. Now grab your speedsew fabric glue, a Q-tip for precise application, and a dish or container lid to squeeze the speedsew onto. Begin by aligning both pieces of fabric with a piece of batting. Fold open the fabric and start applying a line of speedsew to one side of the hot water bottle cutout. Fold the fabric over, apply pressure, and repeat the same on the other half of the cutout and on the other one, and place them aside to dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. And if you get some glue on your table while doing this, don't worry, speedsew easily comes off hard surfaces with some friction. Now grab your other 2 pieces of fabric, and if they are still attached like mine, don't worry, we can separate them later. Align one cutout you just glued together and place a batting side down on the fabric and repeat the same gluing steps as before. Once one side is done, repeat on the other cutout. Let both sides dry for about 20 minutes. Now squeeze some speedsew onto your dish or container lid and use your Q-tip to apply a line of glue about 1/4 of an inch thick along the bottom and along the sides, but make sure to stop applying glue right before the cutout curves in. Once you're done applying the glue, fold the fabric over and apply pressure. And if your fabric cutout is still attached, you can cut it apart and make sure to cut off any excess fabric. Now for the last gluing step, apply a line of glue to the rough edges on the top section, fold them in, and repeat this on both sides. Once all the rough edges are glued and pinned, let them dry for about 20 minutes, and then you can remove all the pins and turn your sleeve right side out. Grab your Velcro, and you can also do this with a snap or button. Cut 2 pieces of Velcro, place the rough piece down, and then place the soft side on top and press the fabric together. And just like that, you created a hot water bottle sleeve without sewing using speedsew fabric glue. Thanks for watching!